Sanghwacha, the traditional tea that was recorded in Dongdui, Bogam, during the Joseon dynasty period. At its core, there is Sanghwacha that contains Korean tradition. We cook traditionally only with carefully selected natural ingredients. Healthy Oriental Sanghwacha that you can enjoy anywhere. This tea was made by using collected nutrients of the herb through extracting 23 healthy natural herbs at traditional low temperatures. Sanghwacha is the youthfulness that expresses the power of passion. People who are tired of the busy modern society, our beloved parents who are lethargic, students who are tired of studying. Sanghwacha is for any kind of people in all ages. Sanghwacha, the best tea for fatigue, recovery, and refection. We make only through Jayenire East patent manufacturing method at systematic facilities. Jayenire Sanghwacha that you can enjoy at home conveniently. Hello, this is Kim Sae-myung, the CEO of Jayenire Sanghwacha. Sanghwacha is a healthy tea that Koreans have enjoyed since a long time ago. For the promotion of health and reinforcement of physical strength, you can enjoy at home easily. For it is made with a patented process that gently heats the nutrients in 23 natural herbs. You can enjoy it at home conveniently. Please give us lots of support and love.